Alright, welcome to this video. This time I'm going to try to pick a GEGE Euro cylinder. This lock was sent to me by Jerry from the Discord as a lock exchange. So this works really well. The key bitting is okay, but the fun stuff is inside. These things contain what Jerry calls the GEGE pins. I already picked the other side and already gutted it because I'm really bad at gutting Euro cylinders and made a mess out of the previous video trying to gut the other side. So I gutted the other side. I'm gonna pick this side and gut that side as well. So I saw what the pins, the drivers actually look like. So they're kind of a multi-stage spool. So you need to pick them a few times each pin to get the lock open. So it's really good to work on your feeling for those spools. And another surprise that I actually forgot, Jerry told me but I forgot, is that the pin number 1 has a ball bearing on the key pin. So now that I know it's there, I have to admit that it does feel different. The pick kind of wants to roll off, but I have to admit that first few times I picked it, I did not even notice. So you need to be very gentle, very sensible to overset. And somehow it seems like I can't pick this lock while I'm talking, so I'm just gonna shut up and pick it. Got a bit of a false set here. I don't know if I already overset something because it already feels a bit weird, so I'm gonna let it drop. Just a matter of finding which pin is ready. There we go. So now the gutting is going to be a lot easier because the other side is already gutted, so I'll be able to basically run a follower right through both. The body's right there, so So since the other side is out and I have a key, I'll be able to lock it back up. It's going to be easier to get that clip removed. my follower. So I'll dump key pins. So right there we got your ball bearing, and all the other key pins are standard pins. Nothing special in the core. Used to gutting challenge logs. Reflex to look for threading. Just gonna put these right, and then these are the pins right there. Oops. So they're a double spool basically. And super long springs. Actually hard to get out of there. So if it's the same as the other side, all the drivers are going to be the same. So these pins are not hard to pick, but they're fun to pick. Lots of feedback in counter rotation, so it's a really fun lock. Oops. There we go. So there we have it. So these are the so this is the first pin. So basically it is a ball bearing that interacts with the key, and you got these GEGE pins, basically double spools everywhere. So that's one side of the lock, and up there we got the other side of the lock, which are the exact same. So there we go. I don't know if it has another name than a GEGE lock, or it has a model number. Maybe Jerry could help me with that, but there we go. Both sides of that GEGE lock picked and gutted. Well, thank you very much. Thanks for watching.